Good morning. Long time no vlog. I know. Soz. Need to leave, so I don't really have a long time for intro and all that. I'm going to VidCon. I actually went to VidCon yesterday. So today is officially day 3. It's a 4-day event in the XL Centre. But yesterday and the day before was the industry day, so nerd days. I was having a great time because I'm a social media nerd. That's my day job anyway. So I had some good talks from like Pinterest, some guys that run like YouTube channels, some like MCN guys, just like really cool nerdy stuff. But apparently today's gonna be more fun. Expo hall wasn't open yesterday, so all of the stalls, meet and greets, the TikTok green room. So yeah, I gotta go. They were very, very, very specific about not taking off this shackle yesterday, which I hate because you know when you get in the shower and they get all wet and then they're just naff. So this is a little bit damp up there. And not losing my access badge thing because it's £15 per item to replace them. £15 per item. Taking the mick. Let's go.
I'm literally going to Japan just for Harleigh this year. I'm joking.
Whoever thought was going to do anything like this, but there is definitely something with this one.
So I've actually made it to VidCon and today Jana has decided to turn up. Hi. So basically I was here yesterday, but I didn't vlog anything because, as I said before, it was just full of nerds and Jana decided not to come. So basically I didn't really have anything to share. But today I've already been to a talk. I caught the end of Jana's. We just had burritos, which were very, very young. And now we're in the like YouTube lounge space. Oh my gosh, this is Jem.
What's up? How we doing?
He decided that to be on brand, I need to be authentic for my gift, and he's bought me a croissant. I'm on brand. I'm on brand, bitch. Jana has a panel right now, so she's gone. And now I'm going to talk with YouTube. By like 5 people from YouTube, which is a pretty big deal. We've split up to me go learn about YouTube and then probably just tell her everything I learned after, which is kind of how it's been. Which is how it goes when you're flying with a high-flying YouTuber, you know? All the security people here are so nice. It's like they're just used to dealing with like dickheads. And I think a lot of people are being dickheads to them, a lot of like these diva-ish YouTubers. And it's like, thank you, hello, you know, it doesn't take much. Just did a 2-minute podcast with Daniel. So guys, back in Jana's hotel room because Jana's a big influencer and she gets a hotel at VidCon. I don't get a hotel at VidCon because I'm a normal person, but you know, perks of the friendship and that, I just be out here in the A-Loft hotel. VidCon day 1.5 because yesterday was just for the nerds and me. I thought today was actually really good. Like, it was way more lively. There were way more people here that were actually like interested in engaging and asking good questions in the panels, because yesterday was just a bit like too much about like growing channels for money because people there were from like brands and industry. Meh. But today was fun. It's a good talk with Spotify just now, which has kind of spurred me to reignite my podcast. But you know, I'll be out here with so many ideas and there's not enough time in the day. So, but bring on tomorrow, day 2. We haven't touched the expo. What's it called? Expo hall?
Expo hall.
The expo. I can't even speak. We have not touched the expo hall today. I'll say the highlight of today was actually getting my little character drawn on the little lady that drew me. I'll put the picture right here. That was really cute.
I can testify that looks exactly like you.
Like literally down to my outfit and everything. She was so good. Her name's Victoria with a J.
What was your favourite panel?
Well, Jana wants me to say her panels, but basically I caught the end of one of them and I didn't go to the other one. But tomorrow will be a new day because I'll be the only person at your panel because it's at 9 in the morning.
9:30.
9:30 in the morning.
If I make it to my panel, that would be good.
Yeah, I'll be the only one there. I don't know, can I say best panel of yesterday? Because the Pinterest one was kind of bomb with Rena.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't like even groundbreaking news. It was just inspiring. Like, it was just good to see the platform through someone else's eyes instead of just looking at bathroom tiles. You know? But yeah, bring on day 2.
Hello. So we're just very excited about the food.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, give me that. Thank you, bye. Only right, I'm using the YouTuber collab for my makeup today. Jackie Anna Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Literally, like, you can tell how loved this is due to the use. I've set my edges all the way to the station. Now I gotta get out of the car and go. I'm not looking forward to getting outside because this is Storm Ellen or some next storm that we're getting now. Obviously today's the last day of VidCon. I would like to go to a talk at 10:45. It is currently 9:52, so I've got about 45 minutes to get there, which I might just make it. Jana also has a talk this morning about women who rock, so she's, I think, moderating that panel. And yeah, I haven't been in the expo hall at all, and I've been looking through the hashtags on the pictures on Instagram and stuff, and people are buying stuff like merch and things like that. So I don't think any of like the diehard creators that I love that sell merch are here, but yeah, I've just seen people around with really cool like bags and stuff, so definitely want to go in there today, have a look around, catch the last few talks, and then tonight's like big finale is like a night of music. I want to catch that as well, so let's see if we can get all that done today, and let's hope that YouTube or Facebook or one of these lounges has some better food today, because yesterday the vegetarian options was really lacking. Running to Jana's panel now. We're at the YouTube social booth and they have the coolest curtain.
Okay.
We're making gifts.
Go. Good.
Who's that? Oh my god, it's Jana Sham. Oh my god. There's light in there. I need one of these curtains in my life. Hanging out with YouTube.
Are you gonna get Harleigh? Yeah, I am. Yeah.
On our way to learn how to make, apparently we're gonna get 900% more views if we learn how to make our thumbnails at this talk.
We're taking notes.
We're taking notes because I want 900% more views.
That's only like 900 views.
Here we have an influencer in the wild. Look at the angles required.
Here we have an influencer in her natural habitat.
In her natural habitat. Oh, she's
I'm gonna put
a
yours as
gift.
well. What's yours?
The small size.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
Me and Jana got free stuff. Free stuff. Don't forget to subscribe. We're going into the expo halls. Haven't been in yet. So don't forget to subscribe to Jana's channel because she needs a 103,000 subscriber.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Who that? Chocolate? There are two types of influencers in the world. One of them are over there eating carrot sticks and cucumber. But the other one is over here eating chocolate brownies with a cup of tea. So we're evidently behind, like, backstage of the expo hall, heading into the TikTok green room, which, I think we have found. TikTok gave me stuff. TikTok gave me stuff.
TikTok beanie.
Very important for the swags. Back in Jana's hotel room. We did our lovely debrief yesterday. I am shattered, like shattered. The truth about VidCon, it's definitely not diverse enough. Content, actual like categories as well as creators. But I would say from an industry head, like it's been very informative and quite motivating, to be honest. Even though I don't necessarily feel represented here, it is definitely that kind of spur of motivation of like, you can be that person. 8 out of 10 would recommend. But would I necessarily see the value for every like content creator to have to be here? Probably not.
There's a lot that you could learn from just watching YouTube videos that you would learn here.
Yeah.
I think the opportunity is more the networking.
Definitely a worthwhile experience. Thanks for having me, Jana.
You're welcome.
Oh my god, it's Jana Sham.
You can come any year.
Oh my god, it's Jana Sham. Thanks very much for watching my vlog with my oily face.